Breaking news. Pi Network, PI, awaits breakout. As trading sentiment improves, the price is currently consolidating between key levels, with technical indicators like the Ichimoku Cloud, RSI, and EMA lines all pointing to indecision. Whether this consolidation leads to a breakout or further downside could depend on how PI reacts to resistance at 68 cents and support at 61 cents in the coming sessions. Pi Network trades inside the red Ichimoku Cloud, reflecting indecision and a lack of strong directional bias. The price sits between the red baseline, Kijun Sen, and just above the blue conversion line, Tenkan Sen, indicating weak short-term momentum but no clear breakdown. The presence of the red cloud shows that the prevailing trend is still slightly bearish, and price action within the cloud generally signals consolidation or neutrality. However, looking ahead, the cloud shifts to green, suggesting that sentiment may be starting to shift. A green cloud in the future points to a potential bullish transition, but only if the price manages to break above the cloud with strong follow-through. A decisive move above the cloud would support a trend reversal, while a rejection and move below the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen would reinforce bearish pressure. Pi Network's Relative Strength Index, RSI, is currently sitting at 51.41, falling from a high of 70 just 2 days ago. This drop reflects a noticeable momentum cooling as the asset moved from near overbought territory to more neutral levels. The RSI measures the speed and magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions. Values above 70 are generally considered overbought, and those below 30 are considered oversold. An RSY at 51.41 places PY right in the middle of the range, suggesting that neither buyers nor sellers currently have a clear advantage. This neutral reading often coincides with a consolidation phase, where the price stabilizes before deciding its next direction. If the RSI trends again, it could point to renewed bullish momentum. On the other hand, continued decline toward 40 or below may signal growing weakness and open the door for a deeper pullback. Pi Network price has been consolidating over the past few days, currently trading within a range defined by resistance at 68 cents and support at 61 cents. This sideways movement is reflected in the EMA lines, which are clustered closely together, a classic sign of low volatility and a lack of strong directional momentum. The market appears to be waiting for a decisive push from either buyers or sellers before committing to a new trend. Until then, PI remains in a holding pattern, with price action trapped between key levels. If bullish momentum returns, a breakout above 68 cents could signal the start of a fresh rally. In that case, the next resistance levels to watch are 78 cents and 85 cents. If the uptrend strengthens further, PI could target $1.04, marking its first move above $1 since March 23. However, a breakdown below the 0.617 support could lead to renewed bearish pressure, with 0.59 and 0.54 as the next potential downside targets. Thanks for watching. Breaking news: how Elon Musk could revolutionize the Pi Network ecosystem. You are on the cutting edge of an emerging opportunity. The recent listing of Tesla vehicles on PaxingShop with prices in Pi cryptocurrency represents a watershed moment for the Pi Network community. This surprising yet strategic move by Tesla CEO Elon Musk signals growing confidence in Pi as a viable digital currency. While the prices may not reflect Pi's true value yet, this collaboration paves the way for integrating Musk's many innovations into the Pi ecosystem. With Pi's expanding reach and Musk's creative vision, intriguing possibilities lie ahead. The potential to revolutionize how we make transactions, access information, and even enhance cognition could transform your relationship to finance and technology. You now find yourself in a position to harness these groundbreaking developments for the benefit of all. Lean into this moment and drive the conversation toward a more open, empowering, and uplifting future. Tesla embraces Pi as a payment method. Tesla's addition of Pi as an accepted method of payment for vehicles is a monumental milestone for the Pi network. With prices for select Tesla models now listed in Pi on Pacing Shop, Pi holders have the opportunity to purchase innovative and technologically advanced electric vehicles using Pi cryptocurrency, expanding Pi's utility and adoption. Tesla's embrace of Pi significantly expands the utility and adoption of Pi. As one of the world's leading manufacturers of premium electric vehicles, Tesla has a vast global reach and influence. The company's acceptance of Pi as payment validates Pi's potential as a mainstream digital currency and exposes Pi to Tesla's substantial customer base. With Tesla's stamp of approval, individuals and organizations may gain confidence in Pi's long-term viability and adopt Pi for commercial and personal use. A visionary partnership. The collaboration between Tesla and the Pi network aligns two visionary entities aiming to revolutionize and decentralize existing systems. Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, while the Pi network seeks to empower individuals through a decentralized digital economy. This shared vision creates an ideal partnership where Tesla can leverage Pi to facilitate seamless transactions and further its goal of sustainability. For the Pi network, Tesla represents an opportunity to gain mainstream recognition and expand its ecosystem, paving the way for wider adoption. Tesla's acceptance of Pi cryptocurrency as payment lays the groundwork for expanding Pi's presence in the commercial sphere. Following Tesla's lead, other automakers and manufacturers may adopt Pi to tap into the growing base of Pi users and remain at the forefront of financial technology and innovation. As more merchants integrate Pi into their payment options, Pi could gain widespread commercial adoption, which in turn may attract additional users to the Pi network ecosystem. With major companies like Tesla paving the way, Pi is poised to become an influential player in the new digital economy. The partnership between Tesla and the Pi network, and the resulting opportunities for expanding Pi's utility and adoption, could revolutionize transactions and usher in a new era of decentralized finance. Together, Tesla and Pi are forging a path to a sustainable future built on vision, innovation, and empowering individuals through technology. The potential impact of Elon Musk on the Pi network. Tesla's adoption of Pi could drive mainstream acceptance. Tesla's recent decision to accept Pi as payment for vehicles on Pacing Shop signals the company's confidence in Pi's viability and stability. As a globally recognized brand and a leader in innovation, Tesla's embrace of Pi could spur mainstream interest in the cryptocurrency. Tesla's vast customer base would gain exposure to Pi, driving adoption at a massive scale. With Tesla promoting Pi to customers worldwide, the currency would gain significant legitimacy and recognition. SpaceX and Starlink could provide critical infrastructure. SpaceX's Starlink satellite constellation could provide the infrastructure to enable seamless Pi transactions across the globe. Starlink's high-speed, low-latency connectivity could facilitate fast and secure Pi payments even in remote regions with limited internet access. This integration would empower more individuals to participate in the Pi economy, expanding the network's reach. Neuralink could revolutionize the user experience. Neuralink's brain-computer interface could transform how users interact with the Pi network. If integrated, Pi transactions could potentially be initiated through neural signals, creating an intuitive user experience that bypasses the need for external devices. This futuristic concept would establish Pi at the forefront of cryptocurrency innovation. While still speculative, the possibilities of integrating Neuralink's BMI technology to control and secure Pi transactions are promising. The convergence of Elon Musk's ventures and the Pi network could bring about a paradigm shift in cryptocurrency. With mainstream acceptance, a robust infrastructure, and a revolutionary user experience, Pi would be poised to transform digital transactions. While Pi's future remains uncertain, the potential impacts of collaborating with Musk's innovative companies are worth considering. With this powerful partnership, Pi could gain significant traction and fundamentally change how we conduct business in the digital age. Realizing the full potential of Pi through Elon Musk's innovations, with Elon Musk at the helm of companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink, the possibilities for integrating these ventures into the Pi network ecosystem are immense. Tesla's adoption of Pi could drive mainstream acceptance. Tesla's recent move to accept Pi as payment for vehicles on the PayXingShop platform signifies growing confidence in Pi's viability and stability as a cryptocurrency. Should Tesla expand Pi acceptance to additional products and services, it would likely propel Pi into the mainstream, increasing its real-world utility and reach. With Tesla's global influence, individuals worldwide could gain exposure to Pi, enhancing its adoption at a massive scale. SpaceX's satellite internet could empower seamless Pi transactions. SpaceX's Starlink satellite constellation aims to provide high-speed, low-latency internet service globally. Pi could leverage this robust network infrastructure to enable fast, secure transactions around the world, especially in remote areas with limited connectivity. This integration could empower more individuals to participate in the digital economy through access to the Pi network. Neuralink's brain-computer interface could revolutionize interaction with Pi. Neuralink seeks to develop ultra-high bandwidth brain-computer interfaces to facilitate the seamless exchange of information between humans and software. The potential to initiate Pi transactions through neural signals alone could create an incredibly intuitive user experience. By bypassing the need for external hardware, Neuralink's technology may enable direct and effortless interaction with the Pi network using just the power of thought. The possibilities for convergence between Elon Musk's futuristic companies and the Pi network are thrilling to consider. With visionary leadership and continued technological innovation, the integration of Musk's ventures could help propel Pi into the mainstream and revolutionize the way people interact with and transact using cryptocurrency. By leveraging technologies like electric vehicles, satellite internet, and brain-computer interfaces, Pi may realize its full potential as a decentralized digital currency available to all. Conclusion. As we have seen, the listing of Tesla vehicles on PayXingShop with prices in Pi is a major milestone for the cryptocurrency. It demonstrates growing confidence in Pi and paves the way for expanded use of Pi in marketplaces worldwide. With innovative leaders like Elon Musk embracing cryptocurrencies and Pi's rapidly expanding ecosystem, the future looks bright. The integration of Musk's ventures with Pi's decentralized network could truly revolutionize cryptocurrency and empower individuals globally. Thanks for watching.